Latest research and development. 1. New X-ray imaging shows a buckyball breaking apart in real time. Fell X-ray pulsars captured the rapid reshaping and fragmentation of C6O molecules exposed to increasingly strong laser fields. 2. Quantum breakthrough unlocks potential of miracle material for future electronics. The research team has observed Floquet effects in graphene, paving the way for innovative new technologies. 3. Scientists just made AI at the speed of light a reality. Researchers have demonstrated single-shot tensor computing at the speed of light, marking a remarkable step toward next-generation AGI hardware powered by optical rather than electronic computation. 4. Physicists create first-ever visible, time crystal. Physicists have created a visible, self-sustaining, time crystal, using swirling liquid crystals that move in endlessly repeating patterns when illuminated. 5. If quantum computing is solving impossible questions, how do we know they're right? A new Swinburne study is addressing a core paradox. If quantum computing is solving problems that cannot be checked by conventional methods, how can we be certain the results are correct? 6. It was a real surprise. Geologists stumble upon ocean anomaly 4,250 feet beneath the surface. Scientists have found a unique deep-sea vent field off Papua New Guinea where hot hydrothermal fluids and methane-rich gases emerge in tandem, creating an unexpected mix of chemistry and life. 7. This iconic Rocky Mountain animal is vanishing, researchers warn. New research suggests juvenile American pickers are becoming scarce in parts of the Colorado Rockies. 8. Antarctica's fastest glacier collapse on record alarms scientists. Antarctica's Hectoria Glacier collapsed at record speed, revealing how quickly ice loss could drive sea level rise. 9. 3.3 billion-year-old crystals reveal Earth's hidden tectonic past. A new study reveals surprising clues about the beginnings of subduction on Earth. 10. Scientists teleport information between distant photons for the first time. Researchers at the University of Stuttgart have successfully teleported quantum states between photons from two distant light sources, marking a pivotal advance toward practical quantum repeaters. 11. World record broken, 50-qubit quantum computer fully simulated for the first time. The Jupyter supercomputer set a new milestone by simulating 50 qubits. New memory and compression innovations made this breakthrough possible. 12. Astronomers solve 70-year-old cosmic ray mystery. Chinese researchers have identified black holes as the likely source of the high-energy component of the cosmic ray, Ni. 13. The impossible LED Cambridge team successfully powers insulating nanoparticles. Scientists have discovered how to electrically power insulating nanoparticles using molecular antennas, creating exceptionally pure near-infrared LEDs with wide-ranging potential. 14. It looks like a dinosaur, but this 240-million-year-old beast is actually something else. Extremely rare, discovery of this newly identified armor-plated carnivorous reptile strengthens our understanding of the link between Brazil and Africa 240 million years ago. 15. It wasn't just drought, scientists propose new theory on the Maya urban collapse. New study uncovers the forces that shaped and later brought down ancient urban centers, and shows how these patterns are reflected in modern city challenges. Thanks for watching this video.